Okay, here we go. Gonna do a nest check on the martins. It's kind of an overcast day right now. Not a whole lot to do. So I figure we come out here and take a look and see what we got. It's getting close to that time of the season where they should be nesting, so we'll see what we get. Been a good year so far. I think I've confirmed I got 9. If you haven't seen the video earlier in the year, how I set this thing up, take a look at that video. Pretty good. I'm always worried this thing's gonna come crashing on my head. That's why I got that screwdriver right here. Kind of stop the fall and I can get out of the way maybe. All right. Oops. Let's see what we get here. So this guy. Oh crap, right there's a bird. It's the mama. Put that back on. Looks like there's 1 egg in there. I don't want to bother him too much. Doesn't look like there's any here. Guess I need to be more careful. Looks like there might be a nest in there. You can see I've closed off all my compartments here. This guy's been real active here. Doesn't look like there's anything in there. Looky here. Got 4 eggs. It's pretty cool. You can see the nest, the green leaves, those corn things they like there. But 4 eggs. 28 days to incubate those, I think. So you got 5 so far. Hate not knowing if there's one in there or not. Well, there's not one in there, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs in here. 5. So that's 10 eggs. This gourd and this gourd have been pretty busy. So same with this one here. Got 10 eggs. There's only 1 in there, 11, but that's all right. There might be more coming. I don't see any mites. That's good. Okay, here's some more. 11 plus 5 more. So that's what, 16? So 16 in here. 16 total so far. Man, this has been a great year so far. Hope I can keep them. I don't think I've seen anything in this one. No, if anything, maybe a sparrow. Yeah, that's sparrow. Tell by the crap on the doorstep. So 16 so far. Down to the last one. I don't remember seeing too many here. Oh, we got green leaves. So that's a good sign. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got at least 10, maybe 12. You know, you never see them here all at one time. So must be a good spot. They like it. So next year I plan on taking the house off. I might buy a modified rack, a better rack. That was kind of flimsy. They got a lot better ones. My brother's got a better one. I'd like to do a double stack, add twice as many gourds, and just get rid of the house. Like I said, it's a sparrow machine. So sparrows are not our friends. They're not native to the country. Same with starlings. They came from Europe. They're not supposed to be here, so they don't get along with the habitat and the other birds. So that's why you can technically kill them if you see them. I haven't had that many problems with them here over the last couple weeks. I did for a while. That's why I got that trap down there for. But for the most part, it's been pretty quiet here lately. Once the purple martins actually, you know, take over and dominate the gourds, usually the sparrows don't want anything to do with it. So Oh, I better crank this back up. Hope I don't get attacked by that bird in this unit right here. I think he's still in there. Let's see, he's only got one egg. Yeah, I don't know if he's in there or not, but I'm not even gonna ask. And a new cable next year. You can see them up there flying around. New cable next year, new homes next year, new gourds. Should be pretty nice. Yeah, they're up there keeping an eye on me. That's pretty much it for the purple martin check. I'm gonna go find something else to do. There's always something to do around here, right?
That's a wrap. If you like these types of videos, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Please share with family and friends. And like I always say, I appreciate you spending time with the Home Pro Hero.